Hi guys, it's Daniel here from BBC, and today I have something very exciting to show you all. Here is our Veloblade Volta, which is a digital die cutting machine, and today we're going to show you just exactly how this machine works. So take a look at this video and find out. Firstly, the machine feeds the paper onto the belt using its vacuum suckers. Once the sheet has been fed onto the belt, the camera then picks up the registration dots and then it starts cutting the job. As you can see, the machine is cutting a very detailed and intricate job. It's cutting each box line by line and piece by piece. And now we have the final result. As you can see, the machine has cut the labels very precisely, and you can see now that they are peeling off easily. So if you have any further questions or queries about this machine, feel free to get in touch with us here at BBC Group.